people. So this is my 60th video of the day, and like I said, I want to these tips that come from celebrities one should just try and emulate. So Akshay Kumar says that no matter what, he does 1 hour of exercise every day, and he tries to do one good thing to someone every single day. So I think it's just beautiful, like if in fact Akshay Kumar goes to the extent of saying, like, with regard to exercise, if you can't give 1 hour to yourself, you should just kill yourself. I mean, that's like extreme, but seriously, I mean, and he says that if he doesn't he, like I said, I spoke about his interview saying that it's so brilliant. I mean, the interview that he gave after the Kesari movie. So he, in that interview, he says he's now taken it on himself to, like, he has to literally compete with the younger lot, right? So it's like, if earlier he used to do 100 push-ups, now he does 200 push-ups to keep up with the times. So I think it's, wow, yeah, just look at that, will and determination, and the thought process also. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.